Yo, wanna deal it? Today, guys, today with Yaksta and Track Starr. Yeah, man. Yaksta and Track Starr with the return. Countryman official music video on the Abu Dhabi Riddim. Jump in the one and see what the G did, man. Let's go, man. Gazzle! Fire! Bumbleclat! Kick them one out, Yaksta! Ah, Yaksta, hold on. Before me start burning fire, Yaksta. You don't deal with me good in my youth. You don't deal with me good, bro. Me tell the public say you're not dealing with me good, bro. You're not dealing with me good, brother. Me tell you the truth. But let's go.
B5 for the countryman a come. Bobby wrong side, push and have to run.
Hear the man say, Bobby wrong. Bobby wrong. Not Babylon, no. Bobby wrong. Because them say, yo, how them deal with poor people, them wrong. Bobby wrong side, bush and have to run. Continue.
B5 for countryman a come. Well, be it up and not long down. How? Yeah. Them, the pieces from.
Pussy clap. Hi!
Gazzle!
Yo, the G forward well ugly. Look there, beard up. No pretty boy thing. No, hey, what that? No pretty boy thing. Man, a real rasta out here. You think someone a bumbleclat? Fashion dread. I want to some boy. Fire!
B5 for the countryman a come. Bobby wrong side, push and have to run. B5 for countryman a come. Well, be it up and not long.
Yo, the part where you see the dog big, a while ago, if you don't know the story of B5, it's a giant. So him turn the dog into one giant. The son, you see Yaksta run, but that's not supposed to be Yaksta. But yeah.
Them, the pieces back. No pussy test, don't defeat me not. You keep and live like sharp beating shot.
Yo, the man said that with conviction. No pussy test. None. No pussy test. Are we doing what? Beating shot.
But when they chop me, I go need it black. Remember the whites, them rich folk has slavery.
Alright. These are the part where people have a problem with. These are the part where people are burning with. But I understand what he mean right here.
Bang your blood clot line with bravery. Pussy clot Jesus now come save way. Look what the pussy them a do over 80.
Man, I say, yo, all I want to sit down and I wait upon Jesus to save one. You better save one yourself. A man said, look what going from slavery they still know. Man said the whites them rich out of slavery. Bang a blood clot line with bravery. That's how I tell us if you do. Bang a line. Remember say in a roar, you know, him don't tell us say, yo, listen, do your thing, but do it smart and make you say your money. Not in so many words, but that's what he meant. And yeah, man, bun Sadamism, man of his shaky. Man say, yo, my bumbuckler, whole dance all and what go on? Yo, Yaksta find a different gear, bro. Yaksta find a blood clot gear. Remember say Yaksta album a forward to you know. Yaksta find a blood clot gear, brother, and him a chip in, bro. So you have all naysayers a chat. One bag of fuckery about the man, bro. One bag of fuckery, dog.
Them a try to imitate me.
Them a try.
Chat wanna make you speak crazy. In here we get crazy.
You hear that? Man said chat wanna make your spit graze me. In here we get crazy. So all the chat on a blood clot chat. Make your spit touch me. Pussy, you say something. Fire!
Never tap out the 9, we will pop out. No one for this the Rasta man.
You hear that? Man say never tap out him 9 we pop out for 0 for 1 for this the Rasta man. Fire burn hard, bro.
The whole of family chop out with the pop in our account like Andrew. Who want a lot.
Buckler, you see in the front different landscape. Yeah, let me say like Andrew only see want a lot of land like the Prime Minister.
Never tap out the 9 we will pop out. No one for this the Rasta man.
Okay.
The whole of family chop out with the pop in our account like Andrew.
Yo, Jamaica beautiful, you know that. I'm gonna see some of them scenery there with the G show you a while ago. Yaksta!
Damn. So Yaksta, you support you scamming, yeah. Remember said them enforce coming, yeah.
Man, I tell you straight, say him support the youth them a scam. Cause remember say them enforce farming, you know. Yeah, them enforce famine. So guess what? Him support the youths, them scamming. Him support it. That's why I tell you straight, brave.
Give a count for them black dead bodies there. Do what I'm release them body there.
True. You see, we don't see what going on in Middle East right now, right? The whole of them. So the man say, yo, me support scamming pussy. Me support it. And me say it with my chest. That's what the man say, right? Oh, not me.
For them real passion on me, yeah. Uptown missing people in longer. But downtown they be the missing funny there.
Yo, that man has some. Yaksta right some favor. I Yaksta this. I press your favor blood time over the father going a while ago. I father this are Yaksta, Richard.
Uptown missing people in longer. But downtown they be the missing funny there.
I Yaksta now. But look at what they are so. So I'm gunshot wound and I'm fired. But him still attack. Yeah. He might tell you what go on, bro. Him say uptown people live longer. But guess what? Downtown, yeah.
Police blow pop, pop, go and leave it. Bag it and make life get easy. Smiley grandmother's for the holy easy.
Bumbleclaw.
Bag it and make life get easy. Smiley grandmother's for the holy easy.
Banging line. Make life get easy. Smarty grandmothers call me wallet and squeezy. Then you see the man looking at Yaksta. Hey, that video you bad. That video you bad, bro. That video you bad, bro. Like, yeah.
Be a class till you feel cheesy. Be a damn run like Chris Breezy.
Man say, yo, him a rare Clark still in foot. And you know, say Rasta man known for Clarks, right? Yeah. Be a brand like him and Chris Brown, Chris Breezy.
Can't keep your sensor. Remember, which boy now go see Rasta Pinker?
Alright, hold on. There's so much stuff going on in this video, bro.
Crazy now, mount that denture. See, that's the boss to try, remember?
What am saying I'm out?
Crazy now, mount that denture. See, that's the boss to try, remember?
I'm saying grades in a mouth, not denture. So I say, yo, I grade spliff in a mouth. Yeah, because I'm a medi, not denture. Yeah, that's him there. And obviously, you see these black beautiful females with different heroes and well-known people. Yeah.
Never tap out the 9 when we pop out. Who want to this the Rasta man? The whole of our chap out with the pop in our mouth. And who want a lot.
They got the skankers them. Mama, go for them.
Never tap out the 9 when we pop out. Who want to this the Rasta man? The whole of our chap out with the pop in our mouth.
Yo, Yaksta forward right now with a vengeance, bro. Yaksta forward with a blood clot vengeance. And it'll work, bro.
Damn, got the beats a bag of ghetto. Swing it over your soul. Yeah, me want to reach out. Let me win the lotto. If you to bang the line, me tell the bill mama passion.
Yo, the man change him slow. Track Starr, big up yourself. Yo, the man change him flow, bro. The Abu Dhabi Riddim, it needs to be a juggling, bro.
When I no money, brother, bullet and a cash out. If I see the little kidney and think we pull the cock out. Right, there's a pussy when they get the face chop out.
Yeah, man. Straight bumbuckler binds for them boy there. Straight binds for them boy there. If you ever see the little pitney and pull your cock out, brother, a gunshot, brother, check.
Never wanna hear that shit. Let that for the show. Woman, them property, the best I'm a pro. I'm a ladies' dude.
Lord, no man. Yaksta is a character, bro.
Them property, the best I'm a pro.
Yo. Yaksta, yo, bro.
I'm a ladies' dude. Black woman, me say great is you. Keep it cool and fuzzy. Me have something when I wash here.
Whoa. The man a chat. The man a burn him fire and him a chat about a thing. Water break. Yaksta.
Don't never tap out the 9 when we pop out. Who want to this the Rasta man? The whole of our chap out with the pop in our account like Andrew.
We see we're going with Roar. We see how him deal with Roar already. No, him give you a video for this. Him been a push that song here. Him been a preview that song here from all long, bro. And we see the effect what this I got cause as well. This yeah.
Never tap out the 9 when we pop out. Who want to this the Rasta man? The whole of our chap out with the
yo, it's a whole army there saying that, bro. Are the whole army this in out the Gabby done. Yeah. Are the army this in yo, the Rasta army now, bro. I march out in that. Remember me telling you this now. Oh, this look like my brethren put us down. I put us this. Bumbuckler production team, big up on yourself. Too much on the name to call. Yo, the man give you a 3 minutes and 40 seconds video, bro. It's a fucking movie.
Rich out now, you know.
A Track Starr this? A Track Starr?
Yeah, man, everything up, friend. Yeah, man, make your line roll for real and whip them, man. Yeah, man, the return.
Man say make the lion roll and whip them. Do not make the lion roll. Do not make the lion roll. Yeah. Only see what he did there. Munga, big up yourself.
Humbugclat! They're not gonna like you, you know. But do what you have to do. Bread for float!
Yeah, man. Bread for float. Yeah, man. Them not gonna like you if you chew me G, but do you have to do, bro. Yeah? Big up Munga. Yes, honorable. The one and only. Yaksta. Big up yourself, bro. Big up yourself. Even though you not forward through and do anything do for me yet, I know. Remember, say I know, but me kind of understand. Me kind of understand, but yeah, I just want them things to still G. Yeah, this bad though. Me not take nothing from this bad. This is more than I expected. Cause I've been hearing the previews. I've been hearing lines and lines and lines there from the song. So, bro, forget this. Yeah. Everybody I get bun, bro. Bush, big up yourself. Let me know what you want to think about what I done in the comment section, yeah, man, and I'll catch you guys down there. And peace!